Annyeonghaseyo, my friends! Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of kimchi, but with a delicious halal twist. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a recipe that's as authentic as it is easy to make. Kimchi, a staple in Korean cuisine, is a flavor-packed dish made from fermented vegetables. And the best part? It's surprisingly simple to make at home, using fresh halal ingredients. For many, the word kimchi conjures images of fiery red cabbage, a staple side dish in Korean cuisine. But kimchi is so much more than that. It's a vibrant tapestry of flavors, with each ingredient playing a crucial role in the final symphony of taste. And with a little creativity, we can easily adapt this traditional dish to fit our halal dietary needs without compromising on authenticity. This recipe is close to my heart because it bridges cultures and traditions. It's about taking a beloved dish and making it accessible to everyone, while still staying true to its Korean roots. So, whether you're a seasoned kimchi enthusiast or a curious newbie, I invite you to join me on this culinary adventure. Get your cutting boards ready, and let's embark on a journey to create a jar of kimchi that's not just delicious, but also a testament to the beauty of culinary fusion. Are you excited? I know I am. The beauty of kimchi lies in its simplicity. We're using fresh, halal-friendly ingredients that are bursting with flavor. Napa cabbage, the star of our dish, brings its natural sweetness and satisfying crunch. We'll be using gochugaru, Korean chili pepper flakes, for that signature kimchi heat. Next comes the aromatic base ginger and garlic. These pungent powerhouses add depth and complexity to our kimchi. Fish sauce, a common ingredient in traditional kimchi, is replaced with a blend of soy sauce and seaweed to maintain that umami richness while keeping it halal. A touch of sweetness comes from Korean rice syrup, balancing out the savory and spicy notes. And finally, we have our supporting cast: onions for a bit of sharpness, carrots for sweetness and color, and scallions for a touch of freshness. Each ingredient is carefully chosen to create a harmonious blend of flavors that will make your taste buds sing. Making kimchi is easier than you think. It's all about taking our time and letting the flavors meld together. First, we'll salt our Napa cabbage and let it sit. This draws out excess moisture, creating the perfect crunchy texture. While the cabbage rests, we'll prepare our kimchi paste. It's a vibrant blend of gochugaru, ginger, garlic, soy sauce, seaweed, rice syrup, and a touch of water. Once our paste is ready, we'll massage it into the cabbage, ensuring every leaf is coated in this flavor-packed goodness. Then, we'll add our chopped onions, carrots, and scallions, adding another layer of texture and taste. And just like that, our kimchi is ready for its final transformation. Section 4. The magic of fermentation. Patience yields flavor. Now comes the most exciting part: fermentation. We'll pack our kimchi tightly into a clean jar, leaving some space at the top. This is where the magic happens. Over the next few days, the kimchi will undergo a natural fermentation process, developing its signature tangy flavor. You'll notice bubbles forming, a sign that the fermentation is working its magic. Remember to burp your kimchi jar daily to release the built-up gas. After a few days of fermentation at room temperature, your kimchi will be ready to enjoy. For a milder flavor, you can store it in the refrigerator right away. But if you like it extra tangy, let it ferment for a few more days. The longer it ferments, the more complex and intense the flavor becomes. Section 5. Kimchi, more than just a side dish. Kimchi is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. It's traditionally served as a side dish alongside rice and other Korean delicacies. But don't let that limit your culinary creativity. Add a spoonful of kimchi to your ramen for a spicy kick, or use it to add depth of flavor to your stir-fries. Kimchi pancakes, also known as kimchijeon, are another popular way to enjoy this flavorful ingredient. And if you're feeling adventurous, try adding kimchi to your sandwiches, tacos, or even grilled cheese. The possibilities are endless, so there you have it, my friends. A journey into the world of halal kimchi, where tradition meets innovation. It's a dish that's easy to make, bursting with flavor, and incredibly versatile. Now, it's your turn to experience the magic of kimchi. Gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and let's get fermenting. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Happy cooking!